A Semicolon Symphony. Mastering the Art of Semicolon Usage. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to today's video where we'll be unraveling the mysteries of one of English grammar's unsung heroes, the semicolon. As we dive into incorrectly using semicolons under our broader topic of correcting run-on sentences, we'll uncover common mistakes and equip you with the tools to avoid them in your own writing. Semicolons often get overlooked, but they play a pivotal role in English grammar. These punctuation marks help to connect closely related ideas within a single sentence. Specifically, they are used to link two independent clauses, that is, clauses that can stand alone as separate sentences, without the need for a coordinating conjunction like and, or, but. Here's an example. Correct usage. I have a big test tomorrow. I can't go to the party tonight. However, when used incorrectly, semicolons can create confusion or run-on sentences. Let's delve into common mistakes and how to avoid them. A common mistake is using a semicolon in place of a comma. While they may look similar, semicolons and commas have distinct roles in sentence construction. Incorrect usage. I love my dog. He's always excited to see me, and he makes me feel loved. Correct usage. I love my dog. He's always excited to see me. He makes me feel loved. Remember, a semicolon connects two independent clauses. So, don't use a semicolon where a comma and conjunction will do. Another frequent error is using a semicolon to connect an independent clause with a dependent clause. A dependent clause can't stand alone as a sentence, so it should not be linked with a semicolon. Incorrect usage. I like ice cream because it's sweet. Correct usage. I like ice cream because it's sweet. The key is to ensure that both parts of the sentence linked by the semicolon can stand alone. Semicolons should not be used in combination with coordinating conjunctions like and, but, or, so. Incorrect usage. I went to the store, and I bought some apples. Correct usage. I went to the store, and I bought some apples. Recall, the semicolon is a stand-in for these conjunctions, so using both is redundant. We hope that this tutorial has given you a clearer understanding of how to correctly use semicolons in English grammar. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep writing, keep experimenting, and keep learning. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to helping you improve your English in our next video. Until then, happy writing!